All good, bro?
Yeah, we just gotta put the straps on.
Oh, yeah.
Got bad log for a second. This is a lovely boat ramp, I actually really like. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, now this one, Jay, you want to do the honours of holding the rope? Tenzin can do the holding the rope.
What am I doing?
If you just want to
secure it.
chain and shit. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, decent tan out here.
Hell yeah, man. It's hot as hell today.
Looking out here,
Pay for it. Fucking hell.
Sorry, excuse me, Somali food.
No, they're pirates. I think they know they're pirates. Alright.
Need to get you on.
You want me to just let all your line out?
Leave it there and see if we catch. I reckon.
Alright. I just don't want to drift. I just can't tell because the line just fucking keeps running.
Are we right on top of it now?
Yeah, more or less.
Oh, is that off? I think I heard it come off. Hopefully it's still there. It is.
How my trebles look. Please don't be cooked. I dropped my lighter before too. She's gone. Overboard. Alright, camera's back on. Little trout. You got them up pliers there, Lucas? Fuck, there's something on that rod.
We're just out of the reef right now.
Maybe. Or it's just dragging.
Oh fuck, he's a big. Oh, it's a. Oh no, is that a fish?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Maybe.
That drag. Bollock. Hey,
It's tight.
We're on the.
No, I don't think. I
you're
think
on
that's
ground.
fucking ground.
No, we're yeah, we're on the reef now.
Tell me I got my rigs too.
Love you.
Yeah, good. Leave that.
Jay, you just.
I reckon I'm already baited now on this rod.
Yeah, no, you did. Literally, you just had attention.
Yeah, far out. Yeah, the time it took me to fucking check that rod, this rod's been baited. So once again, I've got my rods back to front. I should have put fucking flies on that rod. Oh, I can get a double hook up on this one, that'd be sick. Baited terribly, but fuck it, send it down. Give me mummy or daddy call trout. Let's go. Tap. Tap. This bait hasn't even been touched.
There, bro.
Tap, tap, tap. Ah, bastard. Drop him back down.
Chop it off.
I might be on. I don't know. Rat maybe? Yeah, there you go. Hey, what the hell are you?
Is that a fusel?
Is he?
It is too, it's a fusey. That's a big fusel.
Good on you.
That's a lot of mackerel bait, that.
Mackie bait. Yeah, got him.
Let's go hunt for this.
The hog. On or baited? Fuck yeah. Ah, another rat. There you go. Get on the camera. Taps. Tap, 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 tap. Come on.
These guys do. This is a good area.
On! Oi! Hello, son.
Get him.
Bastard.
Get the door. Get the door.
I'm good.
That's cold trout. I'm gonna.
Trout?
Oh no, no silver.
Jobby?
I know. Hang on.
Hang on, man.
Oh, that's in Trevally.
Trevi? Nice.
That's him. That's the one.
Eat
There we
swab.
go. That's all eat. That'll eat.
There we go.
Okay, get down there,
First
Jay.
decent fish of the day.
Let's go.
First keeper.
How dare you? How dare you this fucking peasant? Oh, good job. Oh, it's a shitty one. We can take it for bait and shit. Fuck this. You right? Fuck, this is it. Doesn't get much better than this, boys. Fuck yes. Fuck, he's got a lot of fight in him. Fuck, this is fun. Oh. Come on. Come on.
Oh, he's gone under. He's gone under.
Yep, yep. Woo! Is it? Is it? Take him. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Fuck yes. He's good. He won't be good to fucking eat, but I can assure you he'll be good for fucking bait. That's fucking him. Fuck yeah, bro. Woo! That's the way. See, one nice little troll. One nice little troll.
Yep, alright, is that it? Give me a colour. Give me a colour.
I can see silver.
It's white. It's silver. It's
Is another toonie?
no, it's not a schoolie. Nice.
Fucking Jesus!
You're lucky. That's the first fish I had.
Dude, I've seen it. Oh fuck, boy. Look at that, bro. That's and I won't lie. That's my first ever proper trout, and that's a good proper trout. Oh my lord, bro. Oh dude, I told you they were down there, bro. You just have to believe. Oh dude. Holy fuck, I'm stoked.